Welcome again to today's lesson. My name is still Gerard Ntewonka, an instructor and the founder of Gerard IT Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how computers actually work. Explain in a very simple and beginners-friendly way, whether you are new to IT or just curious. This lesson will give you a strong foundation. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how computers take input, how they process information, how they store data, and how they produce output. You will also see how hardware and software work together, and you will learn real life examples that make everything easy to understand. A computer is an electronic machine that processes information. We have said it and said it many times. It follows instruction from software and uses hardware to perform tasks. Computers work faster and more accurately than human beings, and they help us with almost everything we do today. The input. The input works in this way. You give data. Processing is computer works on the data. Then storage saves the information. Output shows result. This cycle happens millions of times per second. Input is when you send information into the computer. This can be typing a keyboard, clicking a mouse, touching the screen, speaking into a microphone, or using a camera. Input is simple how you communicate with computer. That is what the input is all about. Then the processing is the thinking stage. This is where the CPU, the brain of the computer, works on the data that was the input. It performs calculations and makes decisions and follows instructions from the software. Without processing, the computer cannot do anything. Storage is where information is kept. Short-term storage is RAM. It is fast but temporary. Long-term storage is your SSD or hard drive. And this is where your files, your applications, and your system data are saved permanently. Both types of storage are important for the computer to work properly. The output is the result the computer gives back to you. This can be touched on a monitor, sound from speaker, a printed document, or even a projection on a screen. Input is simply the computer communicating back to you. That is what the output is. What you give in comes out. That is the output. Then, hardware and software all together. Hardware and software must work together to give a result. Hardware is the physical part you can touch, while software is the instruction that tell the hardware what to do. Neither one can work alone. They depend on each other. In the real life example, playing a song, that's the real life example. Let's look at a simple example. When you tap play on your phone, that is input. The CPU processes your request. The song file loads from the storage, and the speakers output the song. This is the full computer cycle in action. Why this matters for beginners is that it helps you understand every future IT topics, makes hardware, networking, and cybersecurity easier, builds confidence for more advanced lessons, gives you a strong foundation. Computers follow the input, process to storage, from storage to output cycle. The CPU is the brain, as we said before. The RAM is temporal memory. The SSD or hard drive is permanent storage. And the hardware and software must work together. Now you understand how computer actually work. That is how it works. Great job. Continue to learn from our channel. We will always, and we are always here for you. Subscribe to our channel. Like and comment. Ask questions. We will reach you at any time. Go to our website. Follow lessons. We have dropped so many lessons in our website that will help you to read, to learn. Also drop a lot of videos that will also direct you and teach you. Not only watching our YouTube, go there. And if you are interested to register to our academy, go in there and fill the forms and follow the procedure and join our Zoom classes. We are here to save you. Thanks and be blessed.